Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, in the last session, we have completed pressure. I hope you remember pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is defined as force acting per unit area. It is defined as force acting per unit area. Force upon area. Secondly, हमने डिस्कस किया था वेरिएशन ऑफ प्रेशर. वेरिएशन ऑफ प्रेशर. तो इसमें हमने व्हाट वी हैव डन इन दिस वेरिएशन प्रेशर डिपेंड्स ऑन टू फैक्टर्स, फोर्स एंड सरफेस एरिया. प्रेशर डिपेंड्स अपॉन टू फैक्टर्स, फोर्स एंड surface area. The greater the force, the greater the pressure. The smaller the surface area, the greater is the pressure, and the larger the surface area, the lesser is the pressure. In that we have completed so many examples. For example, we have taken the example of camel's feet, caterpillar, tanks. Secondly, students, we also did about the pressure exerted by the liquids. Pressure exerted by the liquids. In that we found that the pressure increases with increase in the depth. Pressure increases with increase in the depth. Hanji. Today we will discuss about the atmospheric pressure. Today we will discuss about the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Students, our earth is surrounded by a layer of air known as the atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air that is known as the atmosphere, and we live at the bottom of this layer. The air above us presses down on us with the force equal to that exerted by a mass of 1 kilogram on every square centimeter. On every square centimeter. I am repeating, the air above presses down on us with a force equal to that exerted by a mass of 1 kilogram on every square centimeter. Then why then we are pressing under such a large amount of air? Why our body is not crushed? Why our body is not crushed? The reason behind is that the weight is that the pressure exerted by our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure on our body. Why we not? Here the question, why we not crushed under air pressure? The answer is, we are not crushed under this weight is that the pressure exerted by our body, the pressure exerted by our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure, is equal to the atmospheric pressure on our body. Pressure on our body. ठीक है जी, this is the reason why our body is not crushed. Now we can take the simple example. The area of our palm of our hand is about, suppose it is 100 square centimeter. This is about 100 square centimeter, and a force equal to that exerted by the mass of about 100 kilogram act on your palm due to the atmospheric pressure. I am repeating, the force equal to that exerted by a mass of 100 kilogram act on your palm due to the atmospheric pressure. But you cannot feel. Why you cannot feel? Because an equal force is acting from within your hand which balances the force due to the atmospheric pressure and cancel its effect. ठीक है जी, and cancel its effect. The effect of atmospheric pressure that can act on the surface. The effect of the atmospheric pressure that can act on the surface, we need to remove the air from one side of that surface. This can be easily done. Students, this you have done in your cars. ठीक है जी, you have window, you cover the windows with the rubber suckers. ठीक है, you press hard against the smooth surface as the window pane के ऊपर लगा दिया. This expels the air between the sucker and the surface. Now try to pull it away. See, this is the air sucker. ठीक है जी, this is atmospheric pressure acting on the air sucker. This is atmospheric pressure occurs on the air sucker and this is the surface. हाँ जी, now you will have a great difficulty in pulling out. You will have a great difficulty in pulling out. Why? There is a very little air here. There is a very little air between the sucker and the smooth surface. Between the sucker and the smooth surface. ठीक है जी, and that is not allowing to push this sucker out. Thus, the greater the atmospheric pressure from outside and pushes the sucker firmly to the window pane, and we are not able to remove out easily because there is very less air. If more air is here, then equal pressure from here and the sucker will not attach to the smooth surface. Next is also a activity, students. Suppose you take a plastic bottle. ठीक है जी, put some boiling water in it. The steam come out of the water will expel most of the air from inside the bottle. After about 2 minutes, you tightly screw the bottle on the bottle. Now put the bottle. See, this is a bottle which is filled of hot water. This is the steam coming out of the water. Now place the cap of the bottle. Then after placing the cap, put the bottle in a trough containing water. Put the bottle in a trough containing water. तो हमने इस बॉटल को, here we place the bottle in the cold water. ठीक है जी, since the steam had expelled most out from the air from inside the bottle, the steam had expelled most of the air from inside the bottle, and since the inside of the bottle has been condensed, bottle now has a very little air inside it. ठीक है जी, but the atmospheric pressure is acting from outside on the bottle that is much larger than the pressure exerted by the air inside it. ठीक है जी, now the bottle is crushed. You will see that the bottle is crushed. The bottle is crushed. This activity shows that the atmospheric pressure, like the pressure exerted by the liquid, acts equally in all directions. ठीक है जी, acts equally in all directions. But this bottle has a less air inside it, so no equal pressure becomes here. That's why the bottle is crushed. The atmospheric pressure is maximum at the sea level. As we go higher altitudes, the air becomes thinner and thinner and the atmospheric pressure decreases at the height at the height at which a jet plane flies, the air pressure is very low. So at such the pressure we can have problems like bleeding, because the pressure exerted by our blood in our body will be much higher than the pressure outside. This causes the blood vessels to burst out. ठीक है जी. See, as we are moving towards a higher altitude, as I am repeating, as we are moving towards higher altitudes, then what happen? The air pressure decreases. ठीक है जी. And the air becomes thinner and thinner. Now with this topic our chapter 11 is completed. Now you know. In this chapter you have learned about contact forces. A force that acts only when it is in contact with an object. Second, non-contact forces. I am revising the topic. Non-contact force is a force that acts on an object without being in contact with it. ठीक है जी. Next is magnetic force. A force with which a magnet pulls object made of certain metals, for example iron, towards itself. Second is electrostatic force. Then is electrostatic force. A force exerted by an object with static electric charge on it. Next word is pressure. Pressure is force exerted by per unit area. Then atmospheric pressure. Pressure exerted by the atmosphere on all objects. ठीक है जी. This is called the atmospheric pressure. This is created by air around us. Thank you and have a nice day.